What's up, guys? It's your girl Janae back with another video. If you could tell by the title, today is my birthday and I'm making slime on my birthday. I turned 11. But I made some slime and y'all gotta guess what color. Oh my god, y'all already seen. But y'all gotta guess what my name for this slime. So I'm gonna show you the slime. So this is my slime, and y'all gotta guess the name for this slime. Y'all gotta guess the name for this slime. If you get it right, I might do a giveaway. I don't know, but just stay tuned. So yeah, but I'm just gonna tell y'all the name. So now I'm not gonna tell you the name yet. Not yet. But yeah. Today's my birthday. I turned 11. Before we get like all the way to the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. If you already subscribed, hit that notification bell so you can always be notified when I always post. But if you're new, welcome. My name is Regina Harper. You also can call me Regina, or you can call me Nene. So, but if you're not new, welcome back to my videos. And if I ask me what is this in my hand, it's slime. And I'm gonna have to wash my hands in a minute. But I got this container here, and the top is here. But at first I had this container and I made the slime in here. Now I can't fit it. Wait, hold on. I cannot fit it in here. It can fit in here, right? But when I put the top on, like, you just gotta smush your hand down on the sides. Like, this is the top. I wanna get y'all a good look closely. Let me turn out, put my finger down. Okay. Like, y'all can't see for real because the ring light is on. And I can't turn it off. And this is it. I'm not gonna tell you the name yet. If somebody gets it right, I'm just going to be excited. Okay. But I'm about to get a house party in a minute, cause I want to. Y'all ask me what this on my hair. It's edge control, and I just put it on my braids. Y'all like my girls? I have to use the restroom. I'm literally like doing gas right now. Like, yo, what girl? I'm stinking out my room. Ooh. Okay, so but I'm gonna be back with y'all. Wait, like, this is gonna be for the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, bye you guys, period.